You may have seen some of the videos on the internet where two separate images are hugging each other. People are hugging with their favorite celebrities, they are hugging with their younger versions, they are making this cool animation with their older images. So in short, you can make anyone hugging each other. And there are a lot of apps in the market who are charging a lot of money for just creating this animation. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how you guys can create for free. So let's dive in. So let's say if you want to hug your favorite personality. So in my case, I want the younger Will Smith to hug with his current version. So you can search on the Google and find the images of your favorite celebrities. And once you have your images, you just need to go to the canva.com, or you can use any other image editor that you like, and then upload your images. So here is the image of a younger Will Smith, and then we're gonna upload the image of the current version of Will Smith. And now you just need to adjust both of these images accordingly. So just adjust these images and make sure both of these images are occupying the same amount of space. So let's keep it in the middle of this canvas, and make sure to keep the image proportions similar. So once you have adjusted these images, so I would like to try this with two different images. So I will also try this with this image of the Will Smith just to get the variety of the results. And now just download your images, click on the share button and download your images. Alright, so once you are done, just search for the video.studio. So basically this is an AI video generator, and I have already covered a detailed video on this AI tool. If you want to watch that video, the link will be in the description below. Now you have to click on this create video. Here you can see I have already tried some of the videos like Donald Trump hugging, Taylor Swift. And on the left side, you can see we have three different options: image to video, reference to video, text to video. So all you need to do, just click on the image to video and now upload your image. So let's say we have this image, and in the prompt section you need to type people hugging each other, and now click on this create button. Well, you can also try this thing inside of the Luma AI or in the Kling AI. So we're gonna try this same image in three different AI video generators because we have the multiple options, so we're gonna try all of them. So if you are new to the AI, here is the URL of the Luma Labs Dream Machine, and now you just need to click on this image button and again upload the same image, and we're gonna try the same prompt, people hugging each other. And same goes with the Kling AI. Here is the URL of the Kling AI, and now you just need to click on this AI video section and then select the image to video option. And now just upload your image. Well, you can also switch between their versions. So the latest one is the 1.5, which is more accurate, and we're gonna try the same prompt and hit generate button. Alright, so here is the output from the video AI, and you guys can see both of them are hugging each other. There is some kind of slight morphing effect on the younger Will Smith, but overall the video looks good. But you will not get the same results every time. So here is the output with the prompt people hugging each other, and you guys can see in this one it changed everything in the video. It generated two separate person in the video, and then I changed the prompt and typed hug instead of hugging, and we got this output, and this is much more better than the previous one. So as you can notice, a slight change in the prompt can make a big difference. And here is the output from the Luma AI, and obviously it doesn't look really good. A lot of wonky things are going on in this one. And if we switch to the Kling AI, here is the output from the Kling version 1.5. The current version of Will Smith looks good, but the younger version of Will Smith doesn't look like a Will Smith. So it's kind of a hit or miss. But there is one more trick to get the consistent results and good results out of it, and that is using the side pose of the images. So here you can see we have the two side poses of these old characters, and I generated this image in all of the AI tools, and all of them performed really good. So this was the output of a video AI, and look at that, how good it actually is. And it generated the hands automatically, and we don't have any wonkiness and we don't have any funkiness in the video. It looks like a very good output. Alright, so here is the output from the Luma AI, and this one also looks very good. Yes, there is some issue with the hands, and I ran this prompt multiple times, and in this one you can see we have some weirdness going on with the hands, and also his face is also changing. And here is the one more output from the Luma AI with the same prompt. Yes, we have some issues with the hands, and AI always messes up with the hands, but other than that this is better results than the previous one. So you have to run your prompt multiple times until you get your desired results. And here is the output from the Kling AI, and I think Kling AI performed really well here. We don't have any weirdness going with the hands. It performed really well than the Luma AI. So if you ask me which one performed better in all of them, I would say Video AI performs really well, and on the second place I would like to keep the Kling AI, and at last I would like to keep Luma AI. So that is why I shared multiple options with you. You can try Luma AI, you can try Kling AI, you can try Vidu AI. It depends on you which one suits best for you. So this was the short tutorial on this cool AI trick. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, do give it a thumbs up, and see you guys in the next one.